Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll walk you through how to fix laggy iPhone screen. Here are the steps to fix laggy iPhone screen. First, restart your iPhone. Next, force restart. Hard reboot. Press the volume up, then volume down. Hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Clean your screen. Wipe with a soft cloth to remove dirt, oil, or moisture that may affect the touch. Remove the screen protector if old or thick. A damaged protector can cause slow screen response. Close background apps. Swipe up to view open apps. Swipe them away to free RAM. Check storage space. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, delete unused apps and files. Update your iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, install the latest version. Disable background app refresh by going to Settings, General, Background app refresh, turn it off or limit apps. Turn on reduce motion. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion, enable reduce motion. Turn on reduce transparency by going to Settings, Accessibility, Display and text size. Enable reduce transparency. Turn off unnecessary widgets. Long press the home screen. Remove widgets you don't use. Turn off Bluetooth temporarily. Go to Settings, Bluetooth, turn it off to check if accessories cause lag. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, reset all settings. Lastly, let the phone cool down. Overheating causes lag. Remove case and stop charging until it cools. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.